Students, let us see this problem from the topic of heights and distances. First of all, we'll try to understand the question here. The question is, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Correct? And it will be more clear with the help of a diagram, with the help of a figure. So first of all, let us sketch a diagram now. Suppose AB is a statue and its length is already given, 1.6 meter tall, and this is fixed, this is mounted on a pedestal. Suppose BC is pedestal here, and at a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. This angle is given 60 degree, and angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Correct? Then find the height of the pedestal. We have to find out BC here. So first of all, we'll suppose BC is equal to x. BC is x. Correct? Now with the help of this right angle triangle, let us write P here. With the help of this right angle triangle, BPC, we'll try to get the value for PC in terms of x. So in triangle BPC, tan of 45 degree, this angle BPC is 45 degree. So tan of 45 degree is equal to perpendicular BC upon PC. Or you know, tan 45 is 1 is equal to, we have supposed BC is equal to x upon PC, and therefore PC is equal to how much? X. So this side PC is also x. Correct? Finally, we have to find out this much, BC. Correct? Now in triangle APC, in triangle APC, we'll take this angle APC, which is 60 degree. So we can write tan of 60 degree is equal to, tan is perpendicular by base. So in this triangle, perpendicular is AC. AC and base is PC. And therefore, you know, tan 60 is √3, and this AC can be written as AB plus BC, AB plus BC upon PC. Correct? And therefore √3 is equal to, AB is 1.6 plus, we have taken BC is equal to x, and PC is also x. So if we split it into two parts, can be written as 1.6 by x plus 1, and therefore 1.6 upon x is equal to √3 minus 1. √3, you know, this is 1.732, and minus 1, this is equal to 0.732. And therefore x is equal to 1.6 upon 0.732. After simplifying this expression, we will get x is equal to 2.18 meter. This is the answer. Means height of the pedestal which is required here, that we supposed x is 2.18 meter. This is the answer. Understood? Good. So this is very clear to you, and in the next video we will see some more problems. So thank you very much for watching this video.